Hi everyone, my name is Nancy and this is my presentation for task 9.2D. For this task, I built a user interface to add records to the restaurant table of my Zomato app database. You can see it right here. And to do this, I used the XAMPP web server Apache running. And I wrote the front end form using HTML and CSS. And I used PHP as the scripting language to connect to my existing MySQL database. So, before I use the form, let us check the current state of my database. How is it looking right now? This is my Zomato app database. Let's run this query first. Use Zomato. And let's check the restaurant table for now. What does it look like right now? So as it is visible, we have seven records inside it. The last record being Code Cafe with the restaurant ID 107. Okay, so let's go to the web browser. As you can see, I've already opened the web form here, and let's just hmm, I've already opened the form here on the local host. Uh, okay, so first I'll demonstrate an unsuccessful insertion. I'll not enter any ID or I'll just enter the name. Let's enter a name for the uh, record and let's see. It gives us an error. Why does this error come? Because my PHP code has a validation built in to ensure mandatory fields are not empty. If I try to submit the form without an ID, name, or zip code, the system catches it and throws this red error message telling that the user that the mandatory fields are missing. Once I have entered this wrong record, let's check the restaurant table. Is there any change? No, the table is exactly the same as we left it. This is because the font did not take the wrong entry we entered inside it. Okay, so next I will demonstrate a successful insertion. Let's see. Restaurant ID 108 as 107 has been already been taken. And insert the name 073. I'll just enter something. Zip code, let's take the earlier one. Address. So here it prints a green message. Success. New restaurant successfully added to the database. Okay. This confirmation message tells us that the restaurant has been successfully been added to the database. Let's check it. To verify, we will look at the database table one last time after refreshing the query. You can clearly see that the record 108 ID has been inserted inside the MySQL. Okay, so this concludes my demonstration of the embedded SQL form. Thank you so much.